Good afternoon. So I am back here on the LINQ Promenade. I was going to check out Maxie's for lunch. I woke up a little bit late, slept in, which was always nice when you've had some late nights here in Las Vegas. But I decided to check out Maxie's for lunch. So that's where we're going. It's down at the LINQ Promenade. It's at the end by the High Roller. So I wanted to check it out yesterday, but I was too late. Right now it is 12:55 and they do close at 2 p.m. So that's where we're going. I'll let you know if it's any good and if it's worth a shot. I'm at Maxie's trying out the Maxie's Classic here. It is 2 pancakes, bacon, and eggs of any choice. It looks absolutely delicious, as you guys can see. So now it is time to give everything a try and see how it is. Sorry about that. Give the eggs a try, or actually the pancakes a try first. Delicious. And the eggs. Done to perfection. And the bacon. Nice and crispy. Awesome little salty taste of the bacon, which I absolutely love. But I am going to finish up my breakfast here at Maxie's and then get myself into some trouble today. Alright, so I just got done with breakfast at Maxie's. Well, breakfast, lunch, brunch, I guess, whatever you want to call it. They're open till 2. They have an assortment of breakfast and lunch items there. Really good spot to eat on the LINQ Promenade, so if you want to check that out, you certainly can. There's plenty of different restaurant options down here. So I think now it is time to head out to Madame Tussauds, check out the Wax Museum. After I get done with that, we'll probably head out to Resorts World. Pretty jam-packed day, so hopefully I can get all of this done. Like I said, I had a late start today. It's already 1:43 in the afternoon, so time to start getting some shit done. Not as big as I thought he would be. Looks bigger in real life, actually. Alright, we'll make our way up here, check out some of the other stuff here at Madame Tussauds. See, all these celebrities are actually really small in real life. I would have thought they would have been a little bit bigger. Here's Oscar Goodman. You know, figured these guys would be a little bit taller than what they actually are. As you can see, this paparazzi rope. Had our way upstairs here. Got a cool little light decor too. So this is my first time actually coming to Madame Tussauds, so we will check it out here. My ticket includes digital photos as well as the Marvel 4D universe. So if you guys want to check it out, it's about $44 with tax and everything. So done at Madame Tussauds. It was pretty interesting to see. They also had the Marvels exhibit there. They also had the Wolfpack. One of the things that I realized that I didn't realize before after going to Madame Tussauds is how short all those actors really are. They're not much taller than me. I think the only two that were taller than me was Shaquille O'Neal, obviously, basketball player, professionally, 7 foot tall. So I was expecting that, but Snoop was actually a hell of a lot taller than I thought he was. Movies make people look a hell of a lot bigger than what they actually are, especially Vin Diesel. He's not too terribly big, but the movies make him appear to be a huge macho man. So anyway, I did enjoy Madame Tussauds. I think now it is time to check out Resorts World, so that's where we are headed now. Alright, so I made it to Resorts World. This place is absolutely gigantic. Can't believe how big this place actually is. I'm going to try and film as much as I can here as possible without getting in trouble. Over to my left is the beautiful casino floor. I will give you kind of a look-see of that. So if you guys can see over there, that's the casino here at Resorts World. So I'm going to hit the casino floor, try some of these slot machines, see how they do. Right now I'm in the little shops area that they have at Resorts World. This place is gigantic. If you're wondering, it's right by Encore Wynn. So if you are at Encore, you can easily walk across the street and check out Resorts World. But I'm going to try some of the slots here at Resorts World and see how they do. I've managed to make it to Resorts World. I am here on the casino floor. If you guys notice over to my left, this looks very, very similar to Palazzo here in Las Vegas. I'm not sure why the casino floors resemble each other so closely, but I know Resorts World is a separate entity from the Palazzo, so we are going to check out a little bit of the casino floor. I'm feeling kind of frisky, so I might put in a few dollars and see what Resorts World has to offer. I'm sure that they probably have some good gameplay since it is new, but we will see. The slots were brutal as hell at Resorts World. I figured they would have been a little bit easier, but no. Because it's brand new, I figured that the talk of the town, you know, if the slots were looser, they'd draw in people, but I guess with being a new resort and casino in Las Vegas, there's no need to loosen the slots. I guess the word of mouth will get around and people will come no matter what. So I don't know what the hell I was thinking that it would be better gaming here than anywhere else in Las Vegas, but Resorts World was cool, very, very big. Can't believe how big that place actually is. The casino floor looked really cool, kind of reminds me of the Palazzo. So if you guys have been to the Palazzo, that's what the casino floor looks like there. I think I'm gonna head across the street, go down, maybe check out the Devil's Cantina. I was gonna do reservations today at 5:15. So I think that's where we're headed next, is down to the Mirage and head out to Devil's Cantina. I don't know what the hell it is with Vegas and not giving you silverware when you get food, but second time today that I've been given food without silverware, so absolutely lovely. I'm here at the Devil's Cantina. I just got the food. It looks absolutely amazing for the presentation, so I hope everything is as good as it looks. So now I will give it a taste test. I got the beef enchiladas here.
Like salt on your margarita? Yeah, give me a poncho, please. Oh, okay, so.
Flavor-wise, it's not bad. The fact that it's cold really sucks. This has absolutely been an utter shit show here. At least the rice is warm. Not too bad. Tastes alright, but the fact that it's cold really sucks. Alright, well, it certainly has been a fuck me day today. That's twice that I've been served food without silverware. So I just got done at the Devil's Cantina. I wish I could say it was good. The presentation looked good with the food. Unfortunately, it was bone cold. I got my food, no silverware. Food was absolutely cold. Waited 45 minutes. By the time I got my food, I told the bartender I don't have any more time to wait, that I have a meeting to go to. So, with Vegas being a hospitality town, it certainly is disappointing when you get served food twice in one day without silverware. It's absolutely amazing considering that most of these people derive their income off of tips, off of patrons like us. So, interesting enough to see. Vegas is shitty with hospitality as always. Alright, so it is the next day. Unfortunately, I fell asleep a little bit early due to all this running around and losing a bunch of energy. I actually fell asleep at 8:30 last night, so there's not much left to the vlog from yesterday. Basically, I went to the Devil's Cantina, went from there basically back up to my room, and that pretty much was the end of the day. So today is starting day 3. So sorry for the late exit. Like I said, things didn't go as necessarily to plan last night, but in Vegas, nothing always works out as planned.